Welcome, and we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. There is cases when these headrests are really a nightmare. Okay guys, now we have the headrest, and for the rear I'm gonna be demonstrating the rear. You're gonna have two right and left which are equally in size. The center one is a little smaller, so we're gonna start with that one. So you have your cover. This one, guys, and I think all Mini Coopers are the same, they're molded, so you cannot get this cover off, so we have to do it with the cover. So let's put some nylon in it. This is to make the installation more simple. So there is all kind of gigs to do this. There is vacuums, you don't need any of that. You just have to be able to get your headrest like this, compress it slightly so the cover can get in there. I've seen places that ask you to buy certain tools to do the headrest. You don't need any of that crap. You can soften the covers with a steamer. So just leave it in the sun. If there is no sun, warm them up with a heat gun. And after that, you just get your clip in place, lock it in. And there you have it. This is one, and the same process is for all five. So yeah, so you can see one done. Let's continue with another one so you can see. Now guys, be careful here. This is just a U-clip. All this thing does is you get this one like that. Just a clip like that. So it's so simple. It's not complicated. Very simple. So let's do another one. There is cases when these headrests are really a nightmare, because the size of the headrest exceeds the opening on the cover. So yeah, you can be in trouble in those situations. But right here, just watch guys. We're going here, and it's just compression. You have to compress the cover slightly so you can get your cover in it. That was it. And all you have to look that all seam allowances are in place. So you don't want them all crooked, you want it in one side only. That'll give you a nice finish. Get your clip in it. And it is that simple, guys. That's your headrest. One more. And so on, guys. So I don't gonna take much of your time. I'm gonna continue in the next video with the next process. If you know a better way, let me know in the comments. I wanna know. Okay, guys, now we're gonna remove the upholstery covers for the rear seat. This is the 60 part. It's divided in two sections, 60/40. In other words, this is the bigger piece. And it's very simple, guys. All we have to do is cut all the pulls, and then there is these strings. We cut them, cut here, cut the other side of the string. You can cut this side of the string either, and it will release the piece. Now from this forward, all it is hack rings in the other side. So you just get rid of all the hack rings, and that will be the process for this cushion removal. Now the backrest, there is two versions. This is the base version. You have the sport version. It's just slightly different in the design. I don't remember if the splitting on the backrest is also there. So basically what I'm talking about is you have two sections here. Now this is easy, guys. Again, we are not saving these covers. They're buying on and on. They have no use for us or the client. So we're just gonna cut them here. And we cut them because it's easy to remove this way. Otherwise, you're gonna struggle getting everything in one piece. If you have to, then you go that route. But for us right here, it's not the case. Now let's pull this one out. And that was it, guys. Once you have it down there, you just pull it from the side and your cover is basically off. I need to work slightly here to release the other section. that way, guys. You just have to be mindful about the pulls, but other than that, that's it. And from this point, it's just hack rings, guys. Get them off. Let's do this one. There's two more here. As it has a tensioner across. That's one. And that was the cover removal for the rear. The cushion is no different. The assembly is just the inverse. Very easy. Now, let's do the front. The only challenge in this one, and we always use the floor because we have more leverage, it's gonna be wiring. We have heaters built in from factory. You know, German technology. So they run their wires through these holes right here. So for this removal, we have to get this clip off, this harness, and we're just looking for the very last one of them. It's this one right here, just like that. So this is the only one, nothing else but this one. In the passenger, you're gonna have another one which is for the sensor for the airbags. Now we remove this one, we cut the tensioner, and it's this way. So then we go here. And go way up to there. And that's your cushion. It has the heaters, but it's also hack rings right there, guys. So we just get all your hack rings off, and that will be it for this cushion. Now, the lean back, the backrest. You see these gaps right here, guys. It's not that perfect. Don't think that these Germans have it all figured out. This thing's done halfway. But to us, all that is irrelevant. Just gonna cut. Now for this one, guys, there is a tensioner that goes underneath the molding, but we don't gonna stress that. It's unnecessary. And we all know that the Germans, they're they're low because they over-engineer stuff. Like putting starters inside the bell housing or water pumps inside the engines for easy removal. Okay guys, this one is the airbag reinforcements. We have to cut them. The new covers come with the pouch for that. And from here forward, it's just hack rings. And there you have it, guys. Same for the other side. If you have a suggestion or a better way to do this, let me know in the comments, or any inquiry, please put it in the chats. Like and subscribe. I'll continue with the loading, then the trimming for all the pieces.